Hey guys, I just woke up and I realized that I did a little bit of a shopping thing yesterday because I finally got my debit card. If you guys don't know or don't follow me on Instagram, I remember ranting about this, I think back in December when I had lost my wallet out of nowhere, and it was so unlike me. I don't lose stuff, and it really, really bamboozled me, and I was in shock. I was like literally losing it. But I finally got my debit card and I decided to finally go get my nails done. That was my priority. I had extensions and like they really grew out and they started looking so hideous, and now I finally have my natural nails going on. I'm wearing the shade Coca-Cola Red from OPI. That's what they had in the salon. But this video is not about that. It is about all of the shopping that I did. I actually got kind of carried away because it wasn't in my agenda. I was not supposed to shop. But I did see like a lot of offers going on in all of the stores. Almost everything had like 50% off, and I had to go and do some shopping, especially for like workout clothes. So I went to three places. I went to Skechers, where I got a shoe for my workouts. Actually, basically, this is entirely a workout haul. I was running short of all the clothes that I was wearing to the gym, and I really wanted something new. And I feel like new stuff also really motivates you. I know it's like super shallow, but new gym stuff like really excites me. Okay, anyway, so I first went to Skechers, and this was right next to where I was actually getting my nails done. So I didn't even want anything, but I just saw something nice and it was on 50% off. So I got it. So I got this shoe. I will write down whatever the specifications are, just so that you guys can know which one this is exactly. But this is what it looks like. They are a very basic pair of running shoes, and I got this because they were so comfortable, like super comfortable. I think it has like some sort of a memory foam or something. It's got this squish me written here. So basically, this is the material that's in the sole, and it's very comfortable to run and do like weight training in. And I wore this and I was like, I'm getting this, and it was such a perfect color as well. I don't really like my shoes like super with like super intricate details and designs. Like the simpler it is, the better it looks, in my opinion. And yeah, this was just perfect, black and white, and it was originally priced at 5,000, and it was on 40% off. But then when he put it into when we were billing it, he realized that this was on 50% off, so I got it for 2,500, which is a steal for this. So yeah, I'm super excited to work out in these today. I'm actually going to the gym right after we film this video. So yeah, then I went to Adidas, and I only picked up, I was thinking of picking up the sportswear there as well, but I didn't, so I ended up picking up just one thing. I remember putting up a picture on my Insta story last night, showing you guys, and this is what it is. Oh my god, the only reason I picked this up is because of this color. How pretty is this pink? Oh my god. So it's got this it's like a tracksuit bottom, and it's a skinny fitted fit, so it like really grips onto your leg and it fits me really well. This is in the size small, and this was priced at rupees 2,400 after discount, which was 40% off. And yeah, I just got this because I loved the color and it was really comfortable. I'm not really sure if I'm going to wear this to the gym often, but this for sure is a very comfy piece of outerwear. I would say, like, I would wear this if I have like a long flight or something. I think it would be really comfortable when I'm traveling. Yeah, so this is the next thing that I picked up. Then I went to Decathlon. I didn't really take their bag, so I had this Adidas bag already, so I just asked them to put everything in this. I hate wearing and removing sports bras, but it's an essential must-have for me, for people with big boobs, and when you're running and when you're doing stuff and you don't want your boobs on your neck when you are doing plank. So yeah, I need to invest in like good sports bras. So I went to Decathlon after that and I picked up more sports bras. This is again the highest support one that they had. Again, very basic. This is what it looks like, and this was priced at 1199 after discount. And I really like the design of this. It's got this perforated thing going on, so it is really good for when you're sweating a lot. And it's got pad as well, so your nip doesn't show through and tell you what the weather is. Yeah, so that's what I picked up. I picked up a lot of stuff from Decathlon. I picked up another sports bra, this one just for how it looked. This is a medium support one, and probably on days that I'm not doing a whole lot of cardio and there's just like, you know, upper body or something, then I would wear this. And I honestly just picked it up for how it looked. I think it looked really nice in pictures. To be honest, that's why I picked this up. It's super bright. It's got neon pink and orange, and it's got this very nice black detailing going on, and this was on sale too. All of the sports bras from Decathlon are in the size small, and this was priced at 999. So this was for $1,000, and yeah, it's got a padding too. But and it comes with like this really thick elastic as well. I really like the look of this. I think I might get wear out of this one, other than taking pictures. Like, yeah, I will actually legit wear it too. Oh yeah, I got a t-shirt, like just to run in. These are like super cheap. I think they're priced at ₹99 each, and they're just like racer back tops. I got two of them. I got one in black and one I remember showing on my Insta story because it's so bright. Like, I think the camera is not picking it up too because it's so bright. It's this neon fluorescent green top, like a glowing green top, and I've worn this already to the gym, so it's really dirty. I thought I should just show you guys. I also picked up gloves. Now these are the advanced gloves, I think, advanced weight training gloves, and I got the size small again. And the reason why I picked up this is because it has this really thick strand that protects your wrist, especially when you're picking up like heavy weights. Yeah, and the first time that I worked out wearing this, it was such a difference. I had so much grip, and it was so much better than just using my hand, and I'm like getting calluses on my hand, and I didn't want that. So that's why I finally invested in pair of like weight training gloves, and I'm so excited to train wearing these again. These were priced at 999 too, and I think this was like the most useful purchase I made at Decathlon. I love that store. There's so much in there. I get lost for hours and hours. I also picked up a couple of leggings, so I'm just going to show it to you. This is the first one I picked up. This one was kept in the cross training section, and I like this because it has like a lot of padding on the shin and everything. So this is priced at ₹1499, and it's got this really nice material too. It seems really comfortable. I haven't tried these, so I don't know. Hopefully they fit well. I also got a jacket from the men's section. This is priced at ₹799, and I got the smallest size that they had. And it's just like a plain jacket that you would wear while working out, just so that you keep the heat in. And it's again made with perforated material, just so that it keeps you dry while you're running. I feel really cold sometimes because they really blast the AC on in my gym, and plus they have like the fan on, and I feel really cold, especially right after I'm sweating, and I don't want to shift temperatures so frequently. so it's nice to have a jacket on, and that was super inexpensive and it fit me really well. It's slightly baggy and I like my jackets that way. And next I picked up another leggings. This again has that perforated material, so it keeps you really dry. Just simple black leggings, and this was priced at 1399 and I got the size small. Then again I picked up another t-shirt, plain basic black tee to run in. This one again has like that dry fit that keeps you dry while you're running, and I think this one was also priced at 99 or 299 actually. This is priced at 299. Lastly, I think that's the last thing. Yeah, from Decathlon, just another t-shirt to work out in. You can never have enough workout t-shirt, I feel, again with that perforated material, so it keeps you really dry. And this was priced at $5.99. I decided to get something white because I feel like my entire workout wardrobe is black or gray, and or either it's like black or gray or it's like super bright, so I thought of adding in a little bit of white in it too. And lastly, I picked up a set of undies from Marks and Spencer because I feel like every time I enter there I pick up one packet of undies, and this was on 50% off. I got the no VPL high legs super soft fabric for ultimate comfort one, and this was for price at 1199 initially, and after discount this was priced at 599. Yeah, so that's the last piece of thing that I picked up. And yeah, so that's everything for my workout haul. I am so excited, and I hope this like really motivates you to get out of your house and do something, or maybe in your house and do something, be in your house and do something, because you can just turn on a YouTube video and then just start doing like a nice cardio session. I found this really nice dance sort of cardio video that you could do at home, which is one of my favorite things to do when I don't feel like going to the gym. It's by Les Mills and it's called Dance with Nina, and it's this 40-minute workout dance routine, and it is so much fun, you guys. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to check it out and just dance with it. But so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you super soon. Bye.